Hello, this is Kostas, and I've got a great update about one of my plugins, and this is the banner campaign. It's the one that I call WP Campaign Banner Rotator. Okay, this amazing plugin, it does exactly what it says. Okay, you can now you can easily with one glance, because the whole idea was to make the plugin to be very easy and practical to use. Okay, let me just close the music so that you can listen to me easily. What I did now, it's something that makes it very practical and very fast for you to update the banners and be able to monitor in case something is missing. Okay, now we can see with a glance the total banners that we are using. We can see the total links. We can see which links are unique. Okay, so the rest are the duplicate links. It means that we are using the same link to several campaigns or to several banners. Okay, this is the total views of the banner, and those are the total clicks of the banner. And of course, it's a click-through rate that from the banner. Okay, that means that the people that they see the banner, if they click or not. Let's move on and see what changed over here. You see, we used to click manage banners, and we could see the banners down here from each campaign. Now I have adopted the drop down box. So when you click, let's say, to edit this campaign, the health product campaigns, or the login ads, that it's 60 to 600 to 300 banner, you can just click the banner manage banners over here, and you're gonna see that straight away you have the window opened under it with all the available banners. You have a preview. You see here we don't have a banner. That means that maybe this list is done, is closed, so there is no banner for this one, and this one would be nice to remove it. So we can select this one, and we come here. You see, when you select one of those banners, you just see the banner image URL, the banner link URL, and the banner description. So in this case, I can just click delete, and it's gonna ask me again in case I click that by mistake. I say that yes, I want to remove this banner, and I'm gonna remove this banner that I shouldn't be using it, because it seems like the source is it's closed. So now you can see that we return back to the same banner, to the login ads. We can see that all the other banners are available, and we have the ID and the views and the clicks to each one. So we can see individually the click-through rate to each of all those banners. Okay, let's see now how you add a banner. You can select add a banner over here, add your image banner, add your banner link, and write a short description. The short description, it's important because you're gonna have this kind of description. So in case you're searching to edit a banner, let's say if you have too many banners and you want to find something particular, it's easier to spot it over here. You see, if I'm gonna select online jobs, I'm gonna get straight away the banner that it's to this campaign. And over here I can see even the click-through rate for this particular banner. So the point is, and the amazing part about this plugin is that any of those banners you can easily copy as an iframe, and you can put it anywhere to any other website or even to the same website, because if you want to use it to the same website, you can just copy and paste this banner campaign ID and add here your the ID of the particular campaign. Okay, you see it's the number 3, so we just use here number 3. If it's the 4, we use the number 4. On the other hand, we can, if we want to use it to other websites, and that's really helpful in case you have a lot of websites or you want to adapt it to a third party, you can just copy and paste the iframe, or you can easily use the HTML part. You see, that's the HTML banner. You can use the HTML banner. You can even copy this one and test it. Let me just show you how I'm gonna test. Okay, I'm gonna navigate to an HTML, a free HTML editor. I'm gonna just show you right away how I can just copy this banner over here, and it's the campaign. So what I'm gonna see, it's gonna be 728 pixels to 90 pixels height, and it's gonna rotate all those banners that I see under this campaign. Okay, so if I'm gonna just copy this one and paste over here, let's try and put it to the whole body over here and click run. You're gonna see that we're gonna have the banner available over here for us. So in any website, you can just paste this amazing code, and you're gonna have it available everywhere. So you can see even here, let's go to Ibizu here, because I just corrected one of those banners. It wasn't available, so I had to replace it. If I'm gonna refresh the website, you're gonna see that all those banners that are gonna appear up here, it's they're coming from the rotator. Okay, they're coming straight from the rotator, and you can just see different offers. If you click to each one of those, you're gonna be navigated to the particular opportunity or to the particular tool that it's advertising. Okay, so if I'm gonna click to Pictory, you're gonna see the Pictory normally, and it's gonna open to a new window. Okay, that's the normal way to advertise and to showcase your services and your products. Trust me, this amazing plugin, it's perfect, and you're gonna love it. You're gonna find it easily to fspirits.com. Let me show you here. You're gonna find it to web services, and as all the other plugins that I upload almost every week, you're gonna see the new one, because that one is the WP banner rotator you see here, and it's this one. You're gonna love it. Trust me. It's you pay just once, and you get it forever. You can use it to as many websites that you want, and you have free updates. You can log in anytime you want and download the new update. So in case you have already downloaded the WP plugin campaign banner rotator, you can easily connect once again and get the latest version. So thank you very much for watching this video, and trust me, the plugin became extremely handful and very, very easy to use for everyone that wants to showcase their products and services. If you have any kind of questions, or you want me to showcase another product or a service, or if you want to if you want particular features about this particular plugin, just feel free to write it to the comments, and you get an answer the same day. Stay tuned, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. You're gonna see a lot of amazing content about AI tools and amazing plugins. Thank you very much, and stay tuned. Bye bye.